Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kashika Jain. I am a clinical psychologist. In this video, I will explain about brain fog. Brain fog is a condition in which a person feels overwhelmed, mental fatigue, lack of motivation, lack of concentration, difficulty in making decisions, etc. Causes can be conditions like anxiety and depression, stress, poor sleep quality, etc. I will explain in detail what are the symptoms of brain fog and what are the causes of brain fog. I will also explain 30 activities which will help you to clear your brain fog. So this is very helpful video. So watch this video till end and also subscribe this channel. Like this video, leave a beautiful comment. Before we begin, I want you to download my app which is available in iPhone and Android phone both. Just type my name, Dr. Kashika Jain. You will find it and download it and practice mindfulness meditation, breathing exercises. It will help you to clear your brain fog. So now let's begin. So brain fog is a term used to describe cognitive dysfunction that includes confusion, forgetfulness, lack of mental clarity, and inability to focus. It's not a medical condition on its own, but a symptom of various underlying issues such as stress, poor sleep, hormonal imbalance, or medical conditions like anxiety and depression. Now let's look for the symptoms. Symptoms are difficulty concentrating, mental fatigue, memory problem, lack of motivation, difficulty finding words, feeling mentally sluggish, confusion or disorientation, slower processing speed, trouble making decisions, feeling overwhelmed easily. So these are the common symptoms of brain fog. Now look for the causes. Why does the brain become foggy? One reason is lack of sleep. Poor sleep quality and disrupt cognitive function and memory processing. Another reason is stress and anxiety. High stress and anxiety increase cortisol level and impair brain functions and memory. And another reason is poor diet. Deficiency in vitamins like B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids leads to brain fog. Another reason is dehydration. Lack of water affects brain function and concentration. Overuse of technology, excessive screen time and social media distractions reduce mental clarity. Another main reason is hormonal imbalance, like thyroid issue, menopausal and adrenal fatigue contribute to brain fog. Some medications and drugs also contribute brain fog, like it can be any, and it causes mental dullness. Chronic illnesses like fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, and autoimmune diseases also contribute brain fog. Toxicity and inflammation, excessive sugar consumption, processed food consumption, and environmental toxins impact brain health. So your brain can become foggy. Another reason is lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle reduces oxygen and blood flows to the brain, and your brain can become foggy. Now, let's look for the solution. What are the solutions? So, first, you need to prioritize your sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep daily. Practice sleep hygiene. Fix a time to go to bed and fix a time to get up from bed. And follow proper sleep hygiene as do not use your mobile phone 1 hour before your bedtime. Do not eat any energy food or drink before going to your bed. Like this, you need to follow proper sleep hygiene. It will help you to reduce brain fog. Another activity is reduce stress. Practice deep breathing. You can practice it in many ways, like simply inhale and exhale, or you can practice box breathing where you inhale in 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds and exhale in 4 seconds and again hold for 4 seconds. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Lots of relaxation and mindfulness meditations are available on my app. Another activity is follow a balanced diet, include omega-3, vitamin B and antioxidants, and you will easily find the list of it. Just Google it. Next activity is stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 to 3 liter water daily. It will help you to reduce brain fog. Another activity is reduce caffeine and sugar. Limit coffee, sugary drinks and processed foods, and you will enjoy a clear mind. So 6 activities: take regular breaks, avoid overloading the brain with continuous work, take small breaks, 2 minutes break every hour, and you can practice deep breathing in that 2 minutes, or you can stretch your body and it will help you to regain your physical and mental strength. Another activity is maintain a routine. Having a structured day helps reduce mental overload. Next is declutter your space. A clean environment promotes mental clarity. When you declutter your environment, it signals your brain to relax and you feel very calm. Another activity is practice gratitude. Write down at least 3 things every day you are grateful about. It shifts your focus from negativity to positivity and you feel better. Another activity is use a planner. Organizing tasks reduces overwhelm and forgetfulness. Do not overload your brain by remembering everything. No, just use paper and pen and write it down. And then check your list often in day, and it helps you to give more confidence and you lead your day in a structured manner and you do not overload your brain. Next is read daily because it helps improve focus and expand cognitive skills. Another activity you can do puzzles and brain games like Sudoku, chess, crossword. It boosts brain functions. And another activity, learn something new. A new language, a skill, instrument, anything you can learn, it enhances brain activity. It changes the shape of your brain. When you learn something, your brain pays more attention to it and you feel relaxed, and it also helps to break old mental rigid patterns. Another powerful activity is write a journal. It helps declutter thoughts and process emotions. When you write down what you are feeling, what you are thinking, it helps you to vent out it on the paper and you feel relaxed. And after writing it, look for the solutions. What is in your control? If the things, situations and anything is in your control, write the solutions. What I can do, or can I seek help for this? If yes, then write down the solutions, because when you write down the solution, your brain feels safe, and which is beyond your control, leave it on time. When the time will come, you will see, you will handle that situation in your best possible capabilities. So this way you help your brain to relax. Another activity is practice mindfulness. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day. If you practice mindfulness, it improves your concentration, gives you lots of confidence, and also you remain relaxed. Another activity is exercise regularly. Going for a walk, yoga, aerobic exercises increase blood flow in the brain. So at least 20 to 30 minutes exercise every day really helps your brain to relax. Another activity, go for a natural walk. Just spending time outdoor enhance mental clarity, and when you go for a walk, just practice this basic grounding technique, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look for the 5 things around you and touch 4 things and hear 3 sounds, smell 2 things and taste 1 thing. It will give you mental clarity, it will boost your brain, boost your mood, and it will also relax your body. Another is stretch and move. Simple stretching improves oxygen supply in your brain and body, and you feel so much relaxed. Another activity is try Tai Chi or Qigong. These gentle movements calm the mind. You can find lots of videos on YouTube. Search and find your best moment and try it. Another is dance or listen to music, stimulate positive emotions and brain activity. When you dance, it releases endorphin, serotonin, and oxytocin as well. Listening to music improves your mood. Make sure you listen to very soothing music. It helps to reduce the stress and you feel a clear mind. Next is take brain boosting supplements. I don't recommend any supplement personally, but if you are willing to take supplements, you can take some Ayurvedic supplements, omega-3, vitamin B12 and magnesium. And next is get sunlight exposure. Vitamin D is very crucial for your brain health. So when you expose yourself to the sun, it just not improve vitamin D level, it also improves your serotonin and melatonin level, and you feel a very like calm and clear mind. Also you feel a tremendous boost in your mood. Also practice intermittent fasting, helps with mental clarity and energy balance. Fast for 16 hours every day and just in the 8 hours window eat quality food. It starts autophagy in your system. Autophagy is a process where your body heals your system itself. So it is very helpful activity. Try it. Another is eat brain boosting foods, include leafy greens, nuts, seeds and healthy fats. It also gives you mental clarity. Another activity is try aromatherapy. Essential oils like rosemary, peppermint also improves your mood. So daily basis, simply try some essential oil and aroma of that oil really gives you so much mental peace. And 26 activities, engage in deep conversation. Engaging in stimulating discussion activates the brain. Find a buddy with whom you can share your stuff, but make sure that person must be positive, who can empathize with you, who can give you some solution, who can motivate you. And when you engage with that person in that conversation, it really helps you. It gives you so much clarity and you feel very safe and relaxed as well. Another is laugh more. Laughter releases dopamine and endorphin and reduces the stress. So laugh often, at least 10 to 20 times a day. Another is limit screen time. It reduces, if you reduce digital distraction, it improves your mood. It's so difficult in today's era, but you have to do it. Next is practice breathing exercises. Deep breathing reduces cortisol level. If you cannot go for a walk, if you cannot stretch your body, if you cannot exercise for 30 to 40 minutes, or just simply do deep breathing. Every hourly, just for 2 to 3 minutes, simple deep breathing will help you to reduce your stress level and you will enjoy a clear and calm mind, and also you will feel relaxation in your body. And the last but not the least, do nothing and relax. Taking breaks without guilt is essential and essential for brain recovery. So take a break from your work, take a break from the people around you and simply relax where you are, simply with your breath, with yourself only, enjoying your own company, not thinking about anything, not thinking about any person, and take this break guilt-free. You deserve it, and it is really, really essential for your brain recovery. So I hope this video will help you immensely. Please share this video with your friends and family as well, and give your love in comment section, and do let me know about more topics on which you want me to make the videos. I will surely make the videos on those topics very soon. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.